I am a fire safety nut. I am very aware of all the things that we can be doing in our homes to prevent fires and how to survive them if they do occur. Many years ago, I was director of nursing at a retirement home and we had a fire break out. Sadly, we lost one of our residents that night, and it was very traumatic for our whole community and for me as well, as I knew this resident well and I had to identify her and call her family. So do not take your fire safety lightly. Okay, your life will depend upon it. So we're going to talk about a fire blanket. So why do you need one of these? Well, you may have a fire extinguisher in your home, but likely aren't confident using it, and it may even be expired. And do you even know where it is? Now, this fire blanket is a great option. It is easy to use, it doesn't expire, and it's something that is small and compact that you can either hang inside a cabinet, a pantry door, or you can leave under your kitchen sink too. So how do you use this? So fire is broken out. You have this pan on the stovetop. The flames are shooting up. You obviously don't want anything to hit the cabinets and expand. So you're going to grab your fire blanket. You're going to pull the blanket out of the pouch by the two tabs. Again, you can do it wall mounted or you can just grab it from a drawer. So once you've pulled this blanket out, you want to get behind the blanket. You are going to flop it out. Use these two black tabs. Do not put your hands like so, because you will burn your hands. Grab the tabs, flip the tabs over behind, okay? Peek over, you see the fire, you're headed straight for it. Do not throw the blanket. We are not throwing the blanket. We are reaching out and we are covering the fire. If you throw the blanket, you'll likely miss. You won't cover it square. If any oxygen is getting under that blanket, it will continue to feed the fire. So make sure that you are coming in, you are square, coming down on top of it as best you can, and then pulling back. Step out of the way. At this point, if necessary, someone can be calling for the fire department as backup. Not a bad idea to have them come, and just in case you didn't do this well or it gets out of hand, you know that help is on the way. The other thing is to understand that this is a one-time use. So with this product, when it is used, you need to replace it. They are not very expensive. It is worth doing. The other thing to know, this is fiberglass. Okay, that's how it works. So it's very heavy, it's thick, but it's light enough for anyone to use. You can also grab this and take it outside to the grill if the grill has gotten out of hand. It can also be used as a personal fire blanket if clothing catches on fire. Now, while many of these are not fully sized for an adult, if just a small area has caught on fire, this is better than doing nothing. So you would wrap it over you like a shawl and stop, drop, and roll. I tell you these things because I want people to be safe. I want you to think ahead, and you don't want to wish afterwards, oh, I saw that thing advertised and I did not buy it. Take the time to protect your family and invest in these things. The link for this item is in the description, so you can go find one, buy one for yourself, and make sure you subscribe, because everything I do here is about teaching homeowners smart, practical basics to save you money, stress, and time, and in this case, your kitchen and maybe your life.